I am a firstborn. Them born me.
Who has them made them born me? Who has them made them born me first? Who has them? Because wetin be all of this?
Papa and mama fight. Now me then they call. My siblings they fight. Now me then they call. They fight my mama. Now me then they call. If you can't do mistake as a firstborn, you start to dey make money. Like you do mistake, they end. Every transfer received. Your personal problem, debit. Daddy problem, debit. Your mommy problem, debit. Siblings problem, debit. Your uncle problem, debit. Aladugbo problem, debit.
You won't come finish everything. You go marry another firstborn. You as a firstborn, go marry another firstborn.
Okay.
Me and you know what you'll be facing. We know. Let's do it together.
Billing. Debit.